Hello and welcome to shiksha.com. In this video, we show students how to register and apply online for the Common Law Admission Test, which is popularly known as CLAT. The first step is to visit the official website of CLAT 2021. Click here on the homepage of CLAT, and the candidate will be directed to a new page where they will first have to register themselves. If you do not have an account, click on the Register option. Enter the basic details such as name, email ID, and mobile number. An OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number to confirm the registration. Once the OTP is entered, proceed to log in by entering your mobile number and password. Once logged in, read the terms and conditions carefully and then select the program interested in applying for. Proceed by clicking on Apply for CLAT 2021. Enter the information as required on the Personal Communication tab such as name of parents, category, and upload the documents such as passport size photograph and signature. Once the details are filled and the documents have been uploaded, proceed to the communication details where the candidate will have to enter their address details. Once entered, proceed to the Qualifying Examination Details tab where the candidate will have to enter the Class 12 details as required, or for PG, enter the graduation marks. Once the academic details are entered, the candidate has to select their exam center preference. The student has the option to enter 3 test preferences. Once all the details are filled on the tabs, the candidate has to proceed to the final step, which is paying the application fee. The CLAT application fee has to be paid through online mode only, that is either through net banking or credit card or through debit card. Enter the details and proceed to make the payment. Once the payment has been made, the candidate will have successfully applied for CLAT 2021.